Alright, what's up, guys? We're talking about Digibyte. Alright, so Digibyte is a proof of work blockchain. It's its own blockchain, so it's not built on Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever you want to call them. It's Digibyte, it's its own blockchain. So, first, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification every time we make new videos. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like it, hit that dislike button. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the comments, man. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Tell me what I missed out on. Tell me what I should have hit on better. And just tell me if you liked the video or didn't like it. That's it. So let's get into it. All right, so 21 billion. So it's got a total of 21 billion digibytes. That's the max supply. It has like the same thing with the halving with Bitcoin, except it's 100x. So whatever Bitcoin's is, it's 100x of that. So it still has the halving every 4 years. So from 500 or what? Let's see, 500. No, it would be 5,000. So 5,000 to then it goes to the halving 2,500 and then 1,250 and so on. So that's the same concept with Digibyte, except once it hits 21 billion, it's done. So this has way less fees than Bitcoin does. What is Digibyte? Open source blockchain asset creation platform. That's what I like about it. They got a program called DigiAssets. We're going to get into this, which is it's pretty cool. It's different from Bitcoin from this because you can tokenize an asset. So like you can tokenize your house, you can sell your house, you can even tokenize your company, sell shares of the company. Crazy. Long-standing blockchain. Yeah, it is a really old blockchain in the crypto industry or crypto space. It's 2014. Very fast transaction speeds. I'll show you guys a video on it. 3 years smart contract founders. So Jared Tate was the founder. He did step down. I think it was like 6 months ago. Oh yeah, see, May 2020. Has since returned. So it looks like he did return as of September 2020. Once again, appears closely involved with Digibyte's growth. Tate's biography states is involved with Bitcoin from 2012 onwards. Yeah, so what makes it unique? Modification of Bitcoin, which aims to diversify security, speed, and capacity possibilities. Its first incarnation was as an open source, or not incarcerating, Digibyte was an open source blockchain and associated currency is DGB. The network has 5 separate algorithms which help to maintain security and help prevent ASIC miners from commanding too much power. So instead of Bitcoin with like a 51% attack, etc., they're a little different with how the algorithm works. So I think it's works on a different one. It's not like the SHA-256. It'll tell us how the mining is. Here it is. Can be mined with 5 algorithms called SHA-256, Script, Scheme, Qubit, Quoto, or Odo Crypt. So it's a multi-algo mining contributes to decentralization, security of the network, and gives you the freedom to use different kind of hardware such as ASIC, FPGA, or GPU. So you can use different things instead of like with Bitcoin. You can't even compete with the other guys because you use an ASIC miner. You basically just going to kill everyone because it mines so quick. So later offering DigiAssets, we'll get into that. And let's get into it. All right, so here's their website, guys. Really cool website. I do like their app. I'll pull up an example of their app so you guys can see that. What makes Digibyte stronger than others? Rapidly growing, truly decentralized. So never funded through an ICO, so that's similar to Bitcoin. No CEO of the company, even though Jared Tate does do a lot of the back work of it, he is not the CEO. So Digibyte blocks occur every 15 seconds, which is 40 times faster than Bitcoin and 10 times faster than Litecoin. So Litecoin is like 2.5, or what is it? Yeah, every 2.5 minutes. Let's see, forward thinking. All right, so let's play this video.
What is Digibyte? Digibyte is a blockchain project, like Bitcoin, only faster, more secure, and forward-thinking. Digibyte allows you to send and receive funds instantly, across borders, and without a middleman such as a bank or clearinghouse. There is no sign-up, no personal details required, no minimum funds, no chargebacks, no limits, no accounts to open, no forms to fill out, no way to freeze funds, and no discrimination. Unlike dollars, bolivar, euro, or pounds, Digibyte is also finite in its supply. There will only ever be 21 billion in circulation by the year 2035, with no more able to be created after that. Digibyte is the perfect way to separate finance from state. Digibyte is also backed by the best cryptography and mathematics in the world, using the same public and private key encryption that is used to secure nuclear launch codes. It's also open source, meaning anybody can review and contribute to the project. Digibyte is decentralized, meaning there is no central or single point of failure that can be controlled, attacked, or taken down. Digibyte is permissionless, so you don't have to ask anyone permission to use, send, or receive Digibyte transactions. Digibyte can also be used to store data, notarize documents, log into websites, secure medical records, and so much more. It's easy to get set up with and start accepting Digibyte today. There's no bank that takes a cut whenever you receive transactions, and all transactions are final and permanent, unable to ever be undone or rolled back. To find out more about Digibyte and start accepting it today, visit www.digibyte.io for more information.
Alright, it's a pretty informative video, just like an example intro, how the blockchain works, etc. So here's the DigiAssets. This is what we want to get into. It is open source, so it's not like it's open source, so basically everyone can contribute. It's not just one company. You would absolutely love. I think this shows how the transaction speeds work. Alright, so watch this. Watch this.
Operating when you need it to. How about excessive charges for sending funds both across the country or around the world? Well, let's talk about Digibyte, a digital currency used every day, worldwide, but without the hassles. With Digibyte, you can spend, send, and receive funds instantly.
It's almost like Cash App or
Digibyte
PayPal.
is a blockchain technology project, like Bitcoin, but 40 times faster and with other major improvements. When you use Digibyte, you can forget about huge monthly account fees or other surprising charges. And best of all, transactions cost under 1/10 of a cent. Yes, you heard that right. Not only is Digibyte the most secure payment system that you will ever use, but it is also the simplest. It is as easy as sending a text message. With Digibyte,
It literally
you
is
are
that
your
easy.
own bank, except you can't ever have your funds frozen, and no corporation or entity controls Digibyte. There isn't any central bank, authority, or government able to print more Digibytes. There is no single point of failure, and it is powered by the most decentralized community, and also by its cutting-edge blockchain technology. With Digibyte, we bring convenience, speed, and self-sovereignty to your money. Digibyte. Faster, more secure, forward-thinking.
Yeah, transactions literally like instant. So this talks about how it's faster, not an ICO. We already talked about that. Easy to use. You can literally just download the Digibyte wallet. Boom, done. I'll send you guys or show you a video of an example. Uncrackable technology on Bitcoin blockchain. Digibyte 100% proof of work. It's 21 billion. So I'm sorry. I do want to retrace when I said 100x. It's 1000x. So it's 1000x the size of Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin is, it's 1000x of it. So like if it's the block reward is 50, I was right saying it's 5,000. I just said 100x instead of 1000x. Yeah. All right, so you can buy it on Binance, you can buy it on Bittrex, Secure, Abra. You can obviously buy it from Digibyte, OKX, KuCoin, Shapeshift, Change Angel. This is, oh, here's the DigiAssets. You guys got to check this out. So
What
this is
are
what I was talking about.
DigiAssets are digital representations of a real-world asset that are tradable but cannot be duplicated or counterfeited. Anything could be a DigiAsset. How about tickets to your local basketball game? Of course. What about kickstarting a business idea with shares in a company? Absolutely. The latest crypto pets, property tiles, in-game currencies, virtual trading cards. Yes, you can. With DigiAssets, you can easily create tokens, assets, and more, all backed by the rock-solid security of the Digibyte blockchain. Best of all, in addition to sending and receiving DigiAssets directly from your Digibyte mobile wallet, you can also create them from your mobile as well. DigiAssets is powered by the DGB blockchain. Digibyte. Faster, more secure, forward thinking.
All right, so let's check out the other section. This is the DigiAssets, and then this is pretty cool too. It has a Digi ID, so like everyone has to remember all these passwords and remembering your username. Yeah, right here. Eliminates username, password, two-factor authentication. Digi ID uses a public/private key cryptography. There are no passwords that use this method. It also protects. So it's simple and free. So let's see how it works.
What
It's cool.
is
You can like
DigiID?
scan. It's pretty awesome.
DigiID is a fast and secure way for you to log into websites, applications, or even building security, such as swipe cards. Using the same uncrackable encryption technology that keeps Digibyte or Bitcoin safe, you can now authenticate with a variety of services without having to remember a username or password. How does it work? When you are asked to log into a website, instead of having to remember your email address and which password you used, you simply scan the QR code on the screen using your phone. If you are logging in using your cell phone, just tap the QR code on your screen and it will launch your Digibyte wallet. Simply enter your wallet PIN or scan your fingerprint, and the Digibyte wallet will do the rest and sign you in. No personal information gets transmitted, your wallet information stays private, and nobody can ever compromise your wallet to pretend to be you. Perfect cryptographic security without the hassle of passwords. Best of all, it's completely free and will never cost you to set up and use. Anywhere a website asks you to log in with a username, email, or phone number can potentially use DigiID. Everything from your online email provider to your social network to your favorite online store. There is no downside for the website owner, and it's easy for them to get set up with. Faster and easier logins mean happier customers, so everyone wins. Download the Digibyte wallet today and get started using DigiID. And remember to ask your favorite website owners to support DigiID.
Yeah, so we're
Check
mainly
out
looking for adoption right now. There is some adoption, but it's not enough. They have a good project. They have a good team. This is their community. You can watch that video. This video is getting a little bit long, so I'm going to try to cut it short.
How fast Digibyte transactions are. When
Look
I
at
told
this.
you that it
This
was
is how
near
fast they
instant,
are.
watch
Watch
this.
this.
Okay. So here I have all my info already in there. So let's see what happens. 557 358. Okay. Confirm. Boom. Watch this. Did I confirm again? Alright.
Says insufficient balance, so I guess he's got to redo it. Oh wait, no, he already sent it. So let's see.
There
Look
it
at
is.
It's literally like 8 seconds.
That's how quick that was. That is how quick that was.
And they're working on speeding this up even more.
Already succeeded. Balance is gone. That's how quick Digibyte is. That was almost instant. Almost instant, dude. Much faster, much faster than anything else out there.
It's pretty
By
crazy.
far.
That's mainly Digibyte in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you dislike it, hit that dislike button. If you haven't subscribed and you liked or didn't like the video, just subscribe anyways, because I just asked you to. But anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. This is on Digibyte. You can actually check out their white paper. It's pretty cool. You guys can read about it there as well. I'll put links in the description. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.